Hey y'all already know it's Reese. Welcome back for what? A quick little video. So y'all know as always, we are getting ready to get right into this video. Okay? Now, Jasmine, I am so happy that you decided to go ahead and grace us with your appearance because, excuse me, we didn't know basically what, damn, what I got, the corona? We didn't know basically what was actually going on with you, all right? Because you came up here, you did a shit show, and then you basically just left with no type of excuse. So you got us over here looking real crazy. People thinking you might be, in a medical facility. And then you got other people that's just looking like, ain't nothing wrong with that girl. Y'all already know how she do. But I was basically looking like, I hope someone has put this young lady into a medical system, all right, for what is actually going on with her. Because you said that you felt like you needed to end it all. But wait a minute, Jasmine. You basically put in the title that someone had called who? The police. I said, here go Jasmine on her bullshit. Now, this is the thing. When you decided to go ahead and put that in, you basically didn't want all the feedback and negative shit that you was getting ready to get for coming on camera the way you came and for actually what you said about playing with suicide. You shouldn't play like that. So you said, if I go ahead and I throw in this part about the police came, then they will have some type of, feelings. They will feel kind of sorry for me. Okay, so I peeped that, Jasmine. Y'all should know by now that Reese peeps all of that bullshit that y'all be doing. Okay, and if Reese doesn't peep that bullshit, you can guarantee one of my subscribers is going to go ahead and be in my email box and they will tell me what is going down. All right. So now, Jasmine, the whole point of this actual video, I am going to get to it because the whole point of the video was not the point that you were depressed. That wasn't the point of it, okay? See, that's what most people would think that video was about. But being me, no, I already analyzed it, and that ain't even what it's about, okay? So now, Jasmine, you said you had to go and get you some groceries, right? And in this particular segment that you did, you told us that Chris Chicklets was at home because he had a migraine. Jasmine, we don't give a shit what Chris is doing at home at all, long as Chris is not cooking and you put it on this screen for us to see. So we don't really care. All right. So you went ahead on, you had your little kids in the cart and everything. And I'll put a little quick insert in here right now. So you had them in the cart and then you got up to the register to pay for your food. You showed us on the register, how much the food was coming to. All right. But Jasmine, this is why I tell you that, girl, you are on some manipulating bullshit all the time. If you were paying for this food yourself to make the trolls and to make the reactors, one like me, know and put me in my place and say no, Miss Reese, no, Miss Adorable, I am paying for this cash. No, you didn't do none of that. Only thing you did was show us it and, you got back in the car. So then when you get back in the car, you seem to give us this whole entire sermon, all right, because that is exactly what it was. So you give us this sermon and you say, yeah, I spent $160 and I think that was good. And I just wanted to say it before, because I don't get stamps anymore.
What's up, you guys? I'm on my way back to the house. Bae was not feeling good. He has a really bad migraine. So I went to the store And I know, Ava, I went to the store and got some groceries. I spent about $160 something, you guys. But I feel like it was well spent. I know you're gonna be like, well, you get food stamps. No, I do not. So that was well spent.
Jasmine. All right. Jasmine, we don't even care that you don't get stamps, Jasmine. That's the thing about it. But Jasmine, you know damn well that your ass still gets food stamps. Okay? You already know that you still get food stamps. The thing about this whole entire video, Jasmine, was that you told lie after lie after lie after lie. It was beginning to look real crazy to me. Like, you made yourself look extra crazy, okay? I mean, there's another actual live that you did. I think that was on Instagram, where you made yourself look extra crazy as well. But we talking about this right here, craziness. And y'all already know your girl is coming in to go ahead and you know, search through all the bullshit. And that's what I did, okay? Now, you go ahead on and you say that, you know, y'all are going to the park. You wanted to get some air and everything. You said that Chicklets told you, you know, you make pretty good money, so you might as well just go ahead and move. Because you said that you were so scared and you were so uncomfortable, okay? And I'll go ahead and put that in right now.
Someone called the police yesterday too, said I'm gonna kill my kids. I had a long talk with him and he was like, well, you make pretty good money. And he was telling me about some things I could do to get my information, when I moved, to get my information out of the system. And I've been thinking about it, like moving, like just saying F it and just move.
So going back to it, Jasmine, he said that you make pretty good money. You said that you make pretty good money. Why is it that you come onto this camera crying crocodile tears, hyperventilating, tears all the way back to your ear, snot all over your face, whereas though you getting pink eye, you eating the snot, all types of nasty ass bullshit. And not only that, but we don't want to leave out is when all of this is going on all over your face with the snot, you get up and go in the kitchen and start doing some goddamn cooking. Yes, that's totally unacceptable. So getting back to it, okay, you said that you make a pretty good money and you told Chicklets that. So why is it that you come on this camera begging all the time? Why is it that you come on this camera saying that your food stamps have been cut off and therefore you don't have any food and therefore basically you are dry begging for money and cash apps from your subscribers? Jasmine, I'm going to kick it to you like this because this is how I am. You need to stop coming on here begging because it is COVID. It is people don't have their jobs. It is people that are getting support, you get me, that really actually need the food stamps. Because it's a lot of, you know what I'm saying, people on here, they get real mad at me when I talk about food stamps. And as you know, I don't give a fuck. But anyway, there are people that really need the food stamps. And those type of people are the ones that don't get it. But then they got you over here, like you said, oh, you said this the other day. You said, well, you know, I just been eating cheesecakes and this and that and this and that. Jasmine, we already know that you didn't go out and purchase that with none of your money. You went out and purchased that with your actual food stamps. That's what you did. But yet you think we crazy. But yet I guess you think that I mean, I don't even know. Okay? I don't know. All right. Now, so my thing is, if you make pretty good money, you should be able to take care of all of your bills on your own. When Christmas comes, you should be well set and ready to go. Truly, you should. I mean, you got 2 channels. Okay? Like, are you kidding me right now? All right. So you said that people were telling you to go ahead and kill yourself and sending the police to your house or whatever. I'll put that clip in here too.
Yesterday was the worst. The worst. I was going through something and I was upset about my family and people were telling me to kill myself. That was bad. And I get messages all the time. People reach out and they're like, well, I'm sorry. I was one of them people that was so negative about you. That hurts me. I usually don't respond back to those messages because I've had someone bite me in my butt twice before like that. You know, and it was a reactor. She's reached out to me, apologized, and then she bit me in my butt and she started back talking mess about me.
But the thing of it is Jasmine, you do YouTube, Jasmine. You should have a hard shell. None of that should bother you, Jasmine. As a reactor, you would be amazed of how people come at me. Okay, and other reactors. I had one person actually send me an email saying that they were going to find somebody to come and beat the shit out of me. Yeah, that's what they said. And I said, you already know. Okay, you gonna have somebody come to beat the shit out of me. I'm fucking adorable. Who would actually want to come and beat the shit out of me? But anyway. They kill me, all right? So that's why I don't be getting it like you do YouTube. People will come at you all types of damn ways, okay? And then what it is with the reactors, some of your people go hard for you, okay? They go hard. They are sending emails. They open up 5 or 6 different accounts for when we block them. All types of weirdo ass shit. They be getting, when I tell you they be getting mad, they be calling me all different types of fat people. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. It be a straight fool sometimes in my email what these people tend to send me. I said, these people are acting like crazy people, seriously, okay? Because I can tell you one thing right now. I laugh a lot, okay? And normally a person that laugh a lot will have no problem with putting you down, way down, maybe in the ground. Yeah. I mean, it's just crazy. And I wanted to ask you, Jasmine, I haven't been hearing too much about the neck bones. What has taken the place about the neck bones is that damn fire pit and them damn marshmallows. Are y'all tired of that fire pit and them damn marshmallows? I mean, I don't know how many marshmallows over the fire that you could really eat, and it ain't even really cold. I said, damn, they some fire pit marshmallow goddamn people. I don't know what if it ain't the neck bones, it's the marshmallows. Okay. All right. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to move on, Jasmine. So Jasmine, you went head on and you did a live. I think it was on Instagram or whatever. And you made yourself look like the complete fool that you actually are. I just be wondering, Jasmine, do you get up in the morning and be like, okay, what can I do this morning to look like a complete idiot? Yeah, that's how I be feeling. So look right. Oh yeah, Jasmine, I meant to ask you too. You might want to clarify this for us as well. Why do you got them 2 big ass holes on, you get what I'm saying, your bathroom door? All right, because that's not normal. I can already see a actual human being with fists, maybe chiclets, had to punch that. They had to. You can't lie on the twins because I know you like lying on the twins. Okay, but you've been real good on the twins because, see, the twins have not emailed me no bullshit. They have not, all right? They have not, okay? The last time I think the twins emailed me, they told me that, you know, you had them down there in that cold-ass floor or whatever next to that oil spot where you had them just rolling around in the floor so they could get oil all over their body and you... And you didn't have to put no Vaseline or any type of lubricant over their skin. All right, so they won't be dry skin and have eczema. Yeah, that was the last time. I mean, the last time. I'm telling you, I love them twins, Aiden and Ava. I love them. They don't have no problem with contacting me. None whatsoever. Okay. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and email them and ask them, are you still getting those food stamps? And I'm going to ask Aiden because Aiden is real good about it. Aiden will definitely tell me what happened to that bathroom door. Yes, he will he will tell me in a minute. All right. Now, I don't know if Chris got mad or whatever about the, I don't know. Okay. I don't know if Chicklets got mad about what they be saying about him on Instagram and decided to go ahead and retaliate with the door. But clearly that door was punched. Nothing else could have been done to that door to make it look like that. It was punched. All right. Okay. So we moving on along. So this is what was funny as all outdoors. Let me tell you right now. So look, So you come on or whatever, and you fixing Chris a drink and all that bullshit that y'all doing or whatever, okay. So then someone actually says something, and you say, you know that he really does not live here. And I'm going to go ahead and slide that clip on right on in for you, okay? I'm going to go ahead and slide it on in, right?
Working? Editing? I know we don't live together, right? Working? Editing? I know we don't live together, right?
But Jasmine, let me tell you, you are stupid. Jasmine, you are a complete moron. I'm sorry to say it. I'm sorry. I tried to hold it back from y'all, right? So then, 2 minutes later, somebody say something in your comments and you get an attitude about it. And you go, yes, he's my man. Where else is he going to stay at? Wait a minute, homegirl. Didn't you just say that y'all know that Chris don't live with me? Now you go back to, yeah, he's my man. Where else is he gonna go? He lives here.
Why you always include him in your life? Because that's my man and he live here. Why you always include him in your life? Because that's my man and he live here.
I'm looking at the screen looking at me. I said, this girl is out of this world. Jasmine, let me tell you, baby, they don't make them like you no more. They do not make them like you no more. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and, slide on up off of here. Okay. And I'm going to see you beautiful people in the next video later.